Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Pump out. To push water, air, or liquid out using pressure. They pumped out the water from the flooded basement. The workers pumped out air from the balloon to make it flat. Twist off. To turn something with your hand to remove it. Twist off the cap of the bottle carefully. I twisted off the lid of the jar to get the jam. Pull out. To take something out by pulling. Pull out the weeds from the garden carefully. He pulled out a pencil from his bag to write. Turn over. To flip something to the other side. Turn over the page to read the next chapter. The chef turned over the pancake so it would cook evenly. Squeeze out. To press something to get liquid or paste out. Squeeze out the toothpaste onto your toothbrush. She squeezed out all the juice from the lemon. Spread out. To open something so it covers a wide area. Spread out the blanket on the grass for a picnic. He spread out the papers on the desk to find the right one. Take off. To remove something from your body or a surface. Take off your shoes before entering the house. She took off her hat because it was warm inside. Roll up. To curl or fold something into a smaller shape. Roll up the poster carefully so it does not tear. He rolled up the sleeves of his shirt before washing the dishes. Dip in. To put something briefly into a liquid. Dip the brush in the paint before you start painting. She dipped the cookie in her milk to make it soft. Crack open. To open something by breaking it slightly. Crack open the egg into a bowl for the cake. He cracked open the walnut to eat the nut inside. Pull apart. To separate something into pieces. Pull apart the bread into smaller slices for the children. The kids pulled apart the chocolate bar to share it. Push aside. To move something to the side. Push aside the books so you can write on the desk. He pushed aside the papers to make space for his homework. Pour out. To let liquid flow from a container. Pour out the juice into a glass carefully. She poured water from the bottle into the plant pot. Break off. To remove a small part by breaking it. Break off a piece of chocolate to share with your friend. He broke off a small branch from the tree for kindling. Snap off. To break something quickly and suddenly. Snap off the twig from the tree carefully. She snapped off the corner of the chalk to draw on the board. Push down. To press something to a lower position. Push down the button to start the machine. He pushed down the lid on the jar to close it tightly. Pick out. To choose one thing from several options. Pick out a gift for your friend from the shelf. She picked out her favorite shirt to wear today. Fold up. To bend or make something smaller and neat. Fold up the blanket after using it. He folded up the map and put it in his bag. Pull over. To move a vehicle to the side of the road. The driver pulled over to let the ambulance pass. Police asked him to pull over for a routine check. Twist around. To turn something completely around. Twist the knob around to unlock the door. He twisted the key around in the lock and opened it.